You are going to love the 2024 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front skid plate, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.